This is the unplug activity for the robot friends.
Robot.
Okay, so one person play a role as a robot. Another person play a role as a to put the cup
Me,
like here.
cup.
Here, no, you put a cup. For example, like look at this page. Okay, so the robot friends, he will place the cup like this picture.
The robot
Okay.
play the cup,
Yes. So
not the people.
yeah, the robot, for example, like I'm a robot, so I will follow this instruction.
No, I want you to follow this one.
Listen first, okay? Listen to daddy instruction, okay? So we will follow this instruction, this picture, okay? So for example, this is a cup,
Cup.
okay? And then we have to put like this. So I have to raise the cup, one, okay? When I raise up here, okay? So I have to write down the arrow up. Understand? And then I move right. So I move only half of the cup, half of it. Okay. So one is a half, another half. Okay. Understand? And then I put it down. Okay. I raise another cup because here you see that. Understand? Okay, I raise it up, another cup, and I move here, and I move here,
Again.
here,
And again.
and I move here, and I move here. Okay, so I put it down. Understand? Okay.
The next one.
The next one, I will
It's
raise.
my turn.
No, wait. I will show you, and then you will do the same as me. Okay.
No, I want to do this.
This one I will play and show another trick. Okay, look at it. Look at my instruction. I raise a cup
Up.
up. Okay, I move half. I move another half. I move another half, and then I put it down because it's in the middle, right?
Yeah, middle.
Good.
Good one.
So my instruction, this is when I put this instruction into the computer,
Yeah.
the robot will understand it and it will make into this picture. Okay?
This is triangle.
Okay, if you want to do this one, when you raise the cup up here, look at the first one.
No.
For example, I put it back.
Yeah.
Okay? I put it back. This one, you move it here already, right? You move it here already, right? Understand? And then you need, when you raise it up like this, you have to like moving right down like this. This kind of arrow, it means that you turn the cup upside down. Understand? Okay, so your turn. You understand my instruction? So first you have to put this one, and then you raise this, and then you turn upside down, and then you move. Okay? Yeah. Are you ready? Good. Let's do it.
Do.
I will check the other side. Now, first one up. You write down first. When you raise the cup up, you have to write down.
Raise cup up.
Yeah. No. Write down here. The new instruction. Raise the cup up. Okay. And then you move half. Half here. Okay. Okay. Another half. And then drop it down, right? Okay. Okay. Good. Another one.
Up. Half.
Okay.
Half.
Half.
Half. Down.
Down. Yes. Good.
Okay. Turn.
Yes.
Up.
Gotcha.
Yeah. And then
Turn.
look at this one. Yeah. Turn upside down first. Yes. And then the cup is upside down like this. Okay. And then you move half. You move half, right? Yeah. And then you move another half. And then you drop it down up here on the top of it. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. One more. Look, it will be like this. Up. Okay. Turn upside down, right? Hey, look at this picture. You're a robot. Upside down. Yes, it will be up like this.
Out.
Okay. Yeah. And then you move. You move forward. Half. No. You move forward the half here. Another half. Yes. And then another half. And then another half. Okay, and then you put it down. Yes.
Yes.
Bang! Correct. Hey, high five. Yeah.
Yahoo!
Okay, you understand? Good.
Let's
Thank
play,
you.
Mommy.
Thank you.